Here's how to remove reposts on TikTok. Now, at the very bottom right of any video is that little share icon, that little arrow. You can tap on it and you can see reposts here at the top left. If I tap on that, that says at the bottom left, you reposted this video, aka shared it with all of your followers. There are two different ways that we can remove that repost. The first way is to tap on profile at the very bottom right. Now, if you wanted to make this private, a lot of times this defaults to just your videos. Let's first just go over to reposts here. You can see that is the button. It's those two arrows going in a circle. So just tap on that. And there is that video that I just reposted. The first option you have is to tap on it, tap on share at the bottom right, and then hit remove repost. Now, if I go back out here, you can see, of course, if I refresh this, it's been removed, but that's not a great option because essentially what this means is I've removed it from everybody instead of just hiding it from somebody or not showing it to all my followers. The second option you have is to get into your settings. So tap on those three lines at the very top right, and then tap on settings and privacy towards the bottom. After you've done that, you'll be able to see a bunch of information. There isn't a great option to be able to hide those, but your best option is to tap on privacy here, that second option. So tap on privacy, and now you can turn on private account. By doing so, you can see it says I have a private account here. I can go back, add here, and nobody will be able to see all of those reposts unless they are my followers. So I can always just tap on followers here. And on any of these different ones, I can tap on it and hit remove this follower and remove. It's not a great option to be able to hide those reposts, but unfortunately that is the best option you have, either to remove it as a repost or to set your account to private.